Hi, hello children. Welcome to our Vidya Lakshmi YouTube channel. This is Saraswati. I am handling environmental studies. Today we are going to see a new topic. Before entering into the topic, I want to show you see what is this? This is a plant. A plant has a root, leaf, stem, flowers. Plant has different parts, right? Like plants, our human body has different types of parts. Today we are going to see our lesson, my body. See, our body has different types of parts. Each part does its own function. We have different parts and each part does its own function. One by one we are going to see our body parts. Shall we move? See the first part. What is this? The topmost part of our body is our hair. See, our hair is in black color. See, girls have long hair, boys have short hair. The next part is our head. The next part is our head. Head is the topmost part of our body. After head, we have our face. In our face, we have multiple parts. Now we are going to see one by one. See, what is this? This is forehead. What is this? Forehead. The next part, what we are seeing is eyes. See, now I am showing a flower. You can see, right? We see with our eyes. How many eyes we have? 1, 2. We have 2 eyes. What we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. We can open our eyes. We can close our eyes. Can you all do? Open your eyes. Open. Close. Open. Close. The first what we have seen is eyes. We see with our eyes. See the next part. This is our nose. How many nose do we have, children? We have only one nose. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Also, we breathe. See, we all breathe, right? We take oxygen inside. Yes? We breathe in and breathe out. We breathe in and breathe out with the help of our nose. How many noses do we all have? We have one nose. The next part. What I am doing? Clapping. Did you all hear the sound? How do you hear the sound? We hear the sound with the help of our ears. We hear the sound with the help of our ears. Right? How many ears do we all have? 1, 2. We have 2 ears. Shall we move on to the next part? See, the next part is our mouth. Our mouth has, see, lips, teeth and tongue. Inside mouth, we have lips, teeth, tongue. What do we do with our mouth, children? We talk, we eat. Yes? See, for eating, we have to chew our food. For chewing the food, our teeth is used. For chewing the food, our teeth is used. So, next part, tongue. What is the use of tongue? If you eat chili, how do you feel? You will feel spicy. If you eat sugar, how do you feel? You will be feeling sweet. How do you know it is spicy, it is sweet? With the help of our tongue. Tongue is used for tasting. Tongue is used for tasting. See, mouth. Inside mouth we have, see, the outermost part of our mouth is lips, teeth and tongue. Shall we move on to the next? The next part. See, the next part is our neck. What is this, children? Neck. Neck connects our topmost body to the lower part. Neck acts as a bridge to the topmost body and to the down part. Neck. See, after neck, the part what we have is shoulders. What is this, children? Shoulders. What we do with our shoulders? You carry your school bag with the help of our shoulders. See, the next body part, what we are going to see is hands. See, these are our hands. How many hands we have? 1, 2. We have 2 hands. We do all our work with the help of our hands. We do all our work with the help of our hands. We write, we hold objects. If I want to take anything, I will take with the help of my hand. We hold objects, we write, we eat. Most of all the works we do with the help of our hand. See, we have 2 hands. We have 2 hands. In hand, what is this? We have fingers. We have fingers. Fingers are used for holding objects. See, if I want to take a pen, I will be taking with the help of my fingers. How many fingers do we all have, children? We have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. See, after hands, we have chest. We have chest. See, if you keep your hand on your chest, you will be hearing the sound. Lap, tap, lap, tap, lap. This is chest. See, down to the chest, you have your stomach. The food, what we eat, gets stored inside our stomach. We can call it as tummy. See, stomach. Shall we see the next part? See, knee. Knee is a joint which connects our lower leg to the topmost part of our leg. Knees. What are they called as? Knee. The next part. This is our legs. What is this, children? See, can you see I am moving from here to here? See, again I am coming here. How do I move? How do I move? With the help of my legs. Legs help us to walk, run, jump. To move from one place to another place, we use our legs. How many legs do we all have? We have 2 legs. We have 2 legs. See, in our hand, we have fingers, right? The fingers in our legs are called as toes. What are these, children? Toes. How many toes do we all have? 10 toes. How many toes we all have? 10 toes. Clear, children? Now, shall we recap? Touch your eyes. Touch your nose. Touch your ears. Touch your shoulder. Touch your tummy. Yes. Now, we will see one more topic. Now, we are going to see sense organs. We have 5 body parts which help us to know our world. See, we hear, we taste. To know the world, we use 5 sense organs. See, the first sense organ is eyes. The first sense organ is eyes. You are seeing, see, if I am showing a plant, you are seeing, right? We see with the help of our eyes. Eyes is a sense organ which is used for seeing. Eyes help us to see. The second sense organ is nose. Nose. What is the use of nose, children? Nose helps us to smell. Nose helps us to smell. The next sense organ is ears. What is the use of ears? Ears help us to hear the sound. Ears help us to hear the sound. The next sense organ is tongue. The tongue helps us to taste. We eat different types of food. We can identify it is spicy, it is sweet. How do we identify? With the help of our tongue. Tongue is a sense organ used for tasting. The next sense organ is our skin. See, our whole body is covered with the help with skin. See, if we touch something, we feel soft. If we touch some other, see, if I touch this leaf, it is very soft. If I touch this pen, it seems somewhat hard. How do I know it is soft, it is hard? With the help of our skin. Skin helps us to feel. Skin helps us to touch the things. Skin helps us to feel. If you go and touch hot water, you can know it is hot. If you touch chill water, it is cold. How do you know? With the help of the skin. Skin helps us to feel the things. See, totally we have 5 sense organs. What are the sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. See, our whole body is covered with the skin. Yes, children, what we have learned today? Today we have learned parts of our body and sense organs. Shall we all sing a song? Will you all stand up? Will you all stand up, children? Yes. Shall we start? Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake it out. Shake your hands. Come on, children. Shake your hands. Freeze. Let's go. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake it out. Shake your head. Yes, we can shake our head. Freeze. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Shake it out. Thank you, children. You have joined me. See, now we have learnt many body parts, right? What we should do? God has given us gift. See, so many are suffering without eyesight. They can't hear. So many are there, right? God has given us a gift. We are all very well. What we should do? What is our work? We should take care of our body parts. We should take bath every day. We should keep our body parts clean. Yes? Dear viewers, if you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.